You see me? Can you hear me? Well, that's good, because if you're not wearing hearing protection at this thing, you definitely won't be hearing things for very long.
Andy Carter.
I'm living proof. Big Steve here.
These are ideal.
Yeah, that's it. The shooting ones are cool, especially with the kids. You got to get the kids protected, because you know they're bulletproof. But you know what? My ears are still ringing from trying to do it all without a long time ago. Yeah, that's it. I got these on sale for about 29 bucks, and they last for forever. Look, they're cool. Hearing protection, #1 importance, right?
They're a must-have if you come to the track.
That's right. Cool. Right on. Hey, my name's Jaybird and welcome to Pomona International Raceway. We've got the Winternationals. They are happening today. It's cloudy, but this stuff is all going to go away because we're on the way out. The sun was shining. The cars are going to be firing up momentarily. So welcome. All these wonderful people are getting 8,000 horsepower. The most incredible rush in the world. Just wait. Got it for you. I tell you what, I am so excited. And I'm just blessed to be the host. We got Court behind the other side of this camera. I'm going to twist it around one of these minutes so you get a good look at him. Because without him, we couldn't be doing any of this stuff. You know what I'm talking about? See ya. Boom. Just a short while, you're going to see green smoke coming up. That is nitromethane. Nitromethane is a mixture of nitric acid and propane together. And once you got it, you got to have it. That's what I'm talking about. Green.
VP Racing Fuels is the world leader in race fuel technology, powering NHRA champions with gasoline, methanol, and VP Nitro Race for more than 30 years. And to its comprehensive line.
I see.
How you doing? Oh, this is me too.
Okay,
thank you.
Need a ticket stub and a handstand to go in and out.
You got it. Thank you, buddy.
Have a good day.
Did you scan my camera too, please, Irma? Thank you. You come back in then. That's important. We came lighter today.
Hey, how you doing?
There you go. Thank you. She shouldn't have left me. Nothing to do with the NHRA. I've been warned. What NHRA? Oh. NHRA.